Hey guys, Kyle here. And so in this video, I'm gonna be teaching you guys what would I do if I were to start all over again to make 10K a month as a beginner. First thing I would do is I would wanna help people. So this is the best type of business. When you say you wanna help people, you can start a product. For example here, a rock climbing product. You can teach people how to get the right outfits to rock climb, how to rock climb appropriately. Like, you're helping people that way. There's a lot of things you can do, like different niches you can do. Like, there's dating coaches out there, so helping men get better at dating, helping women get better. I've seen that before. Like, there's different niches for different things. So if I were to start over again, I would choose a niche that I'm good at. It could be anything. It could be fitness, like I said, rock climbing. It could be hiking. It could be any type of niche. It could be even fishing, teaching people how to fish appropriately, how to get the right lures, how to catch the right fish, how to beat your competition, how to get the biggest trophy when you go up against other people. So that's like basically helping people is the key to making money and making your first 10K. That's what I would do, is choose the right niche to make my first 10K, and then I would grow that with my personal brand. So obviously grow either on TikTok, Instagram, create content every day, start putting out value for people to learn stuff, then create that small product to start selling to people. You're going to be helping people with these digital products. I have a friend that's making $1 million a month helping divorced couples get back together. I have another friend making millions selling products on Amazon. I have another friend that makes millions of dollars selling golfing, how to do golfing better. Everyone has a different skill set. You just have to find that skill set and then start creating content and getting value on it. It takes time. It does. I'm not going to lie about that. It takes a lot of time. Like, it's not something we're going to wake up right away. Things are going to happen as soon as possible. It's usually going to take some time. You're going to start building things. It could take 6 months. It could take a year before you start selling stuff. But you have to see the long-term vision, because look, if you like to travel, or you like to take care of your parents, or you like to, whatever you like to do, you can have that extra money with your online business. That's going to help you. So if I were to start from scratch, I would grab another skill set of mine. So I like to go boating, so maybe I can teach things about boats. I like to go to the gym, so maybe I can teach people how to get in shape. There's like all different things, aspects. I own a consulting firm right now teaching other businesses how to grow. I make multi-millions doing that right now per year. And I help thousands of people start and grow their online education program. There's so many different niches out there that you can discover. And the first thing I would do to make my first 10K is I would sell a product between, $2,000 to $5,000. And that would be my first product. You can do low ticket. I have a friend right now selling a product for $100 and he makes over 200 grand a month. You can do something, go that route. You can go the higher route. There's so many other things that you can do. Creating a digital product is the best type of business that you can do. There's no other business that's better than that. Like, it's, first of all, it's digital. Second of all, you can sell it to anybody, depending if you're selling to business owners or you're selling to the general consumer. And, you just got to create a brand around that thing, and then obviously create a step-by-step blueprint on how that works. So for example, let's pretend I'm going to teach people how to fish and choose the lures. I'm going to do an introduction video, basically how to get motivated to go to different lakes. Second is I'm going to basically teach people how to find the right lures. And then third, how to find the right poles. And then it's going to go down a list, and that's how you're going to create a digital product. It's going to teach someone and you're helping someone. So this is the best type of business, because you actually are helping somebody. You're making somebody feel good. They're helping other people. Like, you're changing someone's life with your product. That's basically what I would do from scratch if I were to start all over. Obviously, nothing is easy. Things sound easy, but you have to put into the work in order to get there. So if you're looking to expand, subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys on the next video.